how to set the secure folder to auto lock when the screen turn off on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, so scroll down and click on more security settings. So after click on more security settings, so click on secure folder. So after click on secure folder, now here showing you auto lock secure folder. So after click on auto lock secure folder, so if you want to set auto lock screen timing, so you will see now here showing you 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes when phone restarted and when screen turn off. So you will select when screen turn off. So after this process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set the screen secure folder to auto lock when screen turn off on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.